the day we've all been waiting for. The JOFW show is at its final stage, and all the preparations by the designers, photographers, models and hair and makeup artists will all culminate into this one evening.
I'm so happy I'm finally getting to walk for Jabong Online Fashion Week.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand finale of the Jabong Online Fashion Week. Today it would be a celebration of cut, color, textures and attitude. There's always a calm before the storm. Well, one such storm is happening right now backstage. Come on, let's go have a look.
I'm Poojan. I'm the backstage manager. It's mismanaged right now. Things have to get streamlined. The day's just started. Please definitely take a look around to see how mismanaged it is now. Come back to me before the show and I'll show you how smoothly we run it.
As Lubna and the backstage gear up for the final runway, the models made their way into hair and makeup.
Hi, this is Dipti. She's my makeup artist.
And that's Neelam, she's my model.
I'm really excited about the whole Jabong Online Fashion Week. This is the second season. I'm so happy to be here and we'll hit the ramp in a bit. I hope you all enjoy as much as we will while walking. So, see you all soon.
Our journey has been wonderful so far.
Yeah, we've learned a lot from Vidya Tigari and her session. It was really, really nice. I think my biggest competitor is sitting right next to me. That's
Mine
Neda.
too, sitting right next to me.
This is like the best end of my journey here in India. I feel really proud and I really appreciate that you are working with me.
The photographers were hard at work clicking away the final designs and creatively telling their story. Here today at the finale evening, at the photographer's wall, they were drawing a lot of attention.
This one I have shot for the designer Niharika Pandey. In this image I have created this set. I put some wooden block and the stairs also and use the canvas. In this image it's very fun-loving, very happy-going image. In that here I have used the mirror in front of the camera that is giving multiplicity in the images. For this one I have shot for the Preeti Kapoor and the design was flower print and very transparent in nature. That's why I have used the more backlit kind of images. I have just fill up from the front. So I think the detailing has come out really nice in this image.
My shoot with Jaya Mishra, so that's kind of what I try to capture with this shot right now. Just really fun, really playful, really young, because that's the mood of the entire line. The picture for Sonia Jetli is love, floral, feminine theme, the heart. Nitya Bajaj, I thought her line was really high fashion and really bold, and that's kind of what I try to do, like a really cool editorially sort of thing.
I was really excited and happy and glad to have met the photographers again, see them working. But also what really was pleasant is that they've interacted, they've also helped each other with the lighting, and conceptually I think they've grown as photographers. It's been a very good experience mentoring them, and I'm really happy to see the work go up on the walls.
And while the backstage was abuzz with excitement, celebrities were pouring into the venue to watch one of the most exciting fashion weeks of the season. So I decided to go and chat up with some of these celebrities and ask them about their views on this initiative.
I think it's really nice because a lot of them get a chance to actually be out there quicker, then making their way slowly. And online actually makes you more global.
I I think the Jabong Online Fashion Week as a youth initiative is absolutely fantastic because you can be as talented as you are, but if you don't have an audience, or if you don't have a consumer out there to buy your goods, it really doesn't make any sense.
Jabong is doing a great job of getting young and new designers. It's a nice space for designers also to go online so that their clothes are also affordable, because I think fashion should also be affordable.
So Jabong is concerned, it's one of the pioneers and they've done wonderfully well in so many years. I think that's wonderful. That's the world of tomorrow that we are getting into, and hats off to people in Jabong.
Last year I was part of the jury for Fashion Week. I think this initiative is amazing because it's a great platform for every one of them.
And finally, it was time for the main show. The proceedings started with the brand new association of Jabong with this particular brand. It's been on the British High Street for over 100 years. Dorothy Perkins.
Really excited to be here and working with Jabong on their second year of their online fashion week. Really great to be working with such amazing young talent, and the models that we're working with are excellent, all really strong models.
Fantastic. We've been a partner with Jabong now for 13 months. It's really important for us to partner with people on a global level who give new designers the platform to showcase their designs. Events like this we work on in the UK and in other countries within Europe, so it felt very natural for us to do it. So I'm thrilled, I'm really thrilled about it.
As you can see, we're all really happy and all smiles. With me right now, of course, is Praveen Sinha, CEO, founder of Jabong. Well, finally, this is the day. The day has arrived. How does it feel to finally see it come alive and come real to life?
I'm very pleased, and my team always surprises me positively.
Yes.
So I had certain expectation, but they had just beaten it by, I would say, amazingly, and huge, I would say, acceptance from different stakeholders, including the fashion fraternity, to the media and the new potential entrant in this industry.
That's correct. I must say, Mr. Sinha, you've actually made a lot of dreams come true for lots of emerging designers, photographers, and all the talent that's here. Thank you so much to have
Thank you.
Yes, it's lovely. Let's have a wonderful evening. Watch it, like it, own it. On the other side of the break, the designers will showcase their final collection to the jury and the celebrities in attendance at the Jabong Online Fashion Week Grand Finale. Watch it, like it, own it.
This season at Jabong Online Fashion Week, we bring in the ultra feminine collection.
You know, the moment you look at something like this, you feel like a candy floss, you feel girly and feminine.
While all the designers, hair and makeup artists and models were working really hard trying to put the final looks together, some of our showstoppers were completely overwhelmed with this kind of energy flowing. Isha Gupta walked for Jaya Mishra, who also opened the show for the designer finalists.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you a colorful collection. Let the show begin.
My collection name is Go Candy. Colors are mint colors, candy colors are there, and blues are there. I think it's a perfect time to showcase this kind of colors for spring summer.
first show was, of course, the Tropical Trends, and with me is, of course, the beautiful and gorgeous Isha Gupta, and, of course, her designer, Ushi Wafa, Jaya Mishra. Tell me something, you're wearing the big Tropical Trends, and how do you like your outfit? What do you say about it?
Honestly, I really like the color because, you know, the whole theme that she had, the collection, she called this Candy D. So, you know, the moment you look at something like this, you feel like a candy floss, you feel girly and feminine.
Yes,
and I think that's how the collection is, and because spring, summer, so the colors are more there.
They complement the whole
Yeah,
trend,
rather than
right?
keep it in pastel.
Well, thank you so much, Isha, for having you here. You look stunning on the ramp, right? You were truly a showstopper.
Thank you.
And thank you, Jaya, for having you here. And I hope you enjoy the evening.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Let's give them a little bit.
Please welcome the second-year students from FDDI with their collection on tropical trends.
Everybody, you can see all the designers back to back, and the audience is very pepped up, and you know, it was just a great experience because we had a lot of people who were on the ramp for the first time. So everybody was like a new, so the energy level was really good.
This is my first time that my students are there and I'm in the audience. So I'm feeling so proud this time.
Our next designer is Saugat Paul.
Jabong was a very good opportunity because now the whole world is moving toward the online sector. So I thought it will be a good breakthrough to get into the online market because that's where selling is happening right now. For this collection, I wanted to do flowers because it was the strongest trend for the season. They have a Japanese influence. There's a particular kind of art which is called Katazun in Japan. So I have taken those motifs and incorporate and made something which will suit the Indian sensibility. Jabong is a very good idea. I mean, the fact that they are promoting such young designers and talented people, it's a win-win situation for the designer, for the brand, for the growth of the brand.
I think it's very breadth, very pickable, very girly, very summery. It's amazing the way they have come up with the idea of having a fashion show altogether.
Taxi for Sure is a young and youthful brand, and we are happy to add jazz and funk to the Jabong Online Fashion Week. This is a spectacular format for us to strengthen our connect with a variety of audiences who enjoy being stylish and independent.
And then came the 5 designers who were showcasing their designs on the fun and hippie Coachella trend.
The first Coachella trend is by Nitya Bajaj.
This season at Jabong Online Fashion Week, we bring in the ultra feminine collection. We hold a forte in doing dresses, midis, pencil skirts, pencil dresses, evening gowns.
And we just bought it on for Nitya Bajaj.
Very sexy collection, very romantic, and it accentuates all the right parts of your body. So we loved it.
Jabong Online Fashion Week. Watch it, like it, own it.
Woo! The upcoming Coachella trend is by Preeti S. Kapoor.
coordination of color and the hairstyles and the makeup. I mean, everything was so well done, and I know if this is like the way it is, it'll really go places. And I really, really wish these guys luck because I know they're going to go places.
Hi, I'm Saman Chauhan and I was a part of the first edition of Jabong Online Fashion Week as a jury member. It's much bigger and better this season, and I congratulate Jabong for the putting amazing show together, and I'm looking forward for the Jabong India Online Fashion Week.
Next fantabulous collection is by Niket Mishra.
We have used a lot of Chanderi fabric, alternative fabrics, which is a very Indian fabric. The theme, of course, is Coachella fashion, which is having a lot of variations of cuts, geometric edges and other lines. I am very excited for my Jabong Online Fashion Week because for me it's a new platform where I'm showcasing my Pret line, which I never did earlier.
Coachella Trend by Rahul Singh.
So my collection is more of a laid-back resort look, and it's more of a fun print, party mood. It's fusion. I've used more of cotton and Chanderi, and it's more of a block print over that. I think e-commerce is picking up so well, and I think this is the future. I'm looking forward to great business with association with Jabong.
Welcome to the JOW 2015, and of course with me, as you can see, is the enormously talented and my favorite KK Menon. Welcome.
Thank you.
Could you tell me about his creation, about his collection?
I like his whole approach to fashion. It actually matches with my style.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, it's not in your face. At the same time, it's a bit stylish.
The designs are superb. The energy is infectious, and everybody's waiting to know whose designs made the final cut for the Emerging Designer Award at the Jabong Online Fashion Week. Until then, stay fashionable, folks. Watch it, like it, own it. Only on Jabong Online Fashion Week.